This is Blazedpath, the low-code development platform for IT pros. It enables small but skillful development teams to design, build, and deploy complex business software. With more than 10 visual editors, you can create cloud-native, enterprise-grade applications and microservices real fast. Work locally in your computer, preview your work, and sync with the rest of your team through Git. Design your new project starting from the architecture. Choose the type of elements and how they connect to each other. A few graphical configuration, and the architecture of your solution is ready. Each element can be implemented in different technologies. Connect your solution to any external REST service, no code needed. The built-in data mapping tool will help you to integrate data, build transformations graphically. If you already have a database, just use a wizard to introspect it and import the data structure of your solution. But you can also define your data structure right within Blazedpath. Note that you can build your applications from both relational and non-relational database systems, or not use a database at all. Blazedpath has a built-in mock data generator and entry tool. You don't need to be connected to a real data service to start building your solution. Just set a data source and mock mode and use them to accelerate development. Design front-end visually from a rich set of UI components. Configure layout events, actions, and behavior logic with simple scripting tools. You can compose data from any back-end service, internal or external to your project. Embed UI components that are built on other JavaScript frameworks like React.js. Blazedpath uses a few clever tricks to really speed up UI development, like generation wizards, pre-built templates, and visual configuration tools. You can build your application logic in multiple ways with Blazedpath. You can use wizards for simple operations that follow typical patterns, but you can customize your logic with functional blocks. It's simpler than coding because it blocks pre-solved logic structure and syntax and requires only simple scripts, the same across the entire platform. Create in seconds REST APIs for business logic encapsulated in your back-end microservices. You can also import any NPM library, wrap them in a function, and use it as part of your project. Blazedpath is endlessly extensible in this way. Blazedpath comes with a built-in business process management engine to design and run workflows. Use standard BPMN notation and customize any logic with simple scripting tools. You can also model sagas, which solve consistency and update complexities in distributed data repositories. Automate test cases, validate integrity, and catch errors to fix them in dev time. With Navigator tool, you can visualize how components interact with each other in your application. Get a clear view of all the possible paths of references that take you from one element to another. It's useful not only for bug fixing, but also before changing anything to your project and when you need to understand the impact. With Blazedpath Cloud, you can configure your environments, run cloud-native build, download your generated application packages, or deploy directly in the cloud. Configure continuous integration, continuous delivery pipelines to accelerate results for the business. Blazedpath offers cloud resources in pay-as-you-go as well as subscriptions. Be part of a growing community of low-code developers around the world and become hyper-productive with Blazedpath. Learn more at blazedpath.com, where big ideas come alive.